Now coming back to the topic, next point, when PPC can shift rightward or leftward. First we are going to discuss about the point when it shifts rightward. PPC shift rightward when there are some changes. And what are that changes? As I told you that it may shift, PPC may shift with change in resources and technology. When the change in resources and technology is favorable to PPC, then it will shift rightward, and when it is not favorable, then it will shift leftward. So when it shifts rightward, for shifting rightward, there are some points, there are some reasons. Production possibility curve shifts rightward because of increase in population, first is because of increase in population, discovery of new resources, change in technology या improvement in technology, और next one is foreign capital. These are the points. These are the points because of which production possibility curve में may shift rightward. अब पॉपुलेशन अगर बढ़ जाती है, किसी भी इकोनॉमी की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती है, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ने की वजह से जब मैंने बताया आपको कि रिसोर्सेस में चेंज होने की वजह से ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो देयर, and when population increases there will be a change in human resources, and वो human resources अगर productive है then in that case production of Y good and X good both can increase, and it can increase from here and new production possibility curve में it will shift rightward. इस अगर कर्व का नाम दिया जाए PPC then it will be PPC1. New production possibility curve will increase, production possibility curve will be there, new resources, and if the resource of production are increased then also the same thing will happen. If the technology of production is going to increase, it is increased because of any reason, then it will shift rightward. When foreign capital, the foreign capital is introduced in any economy, then in that case it can also increase technology or resources, then it will also help to shift PPC in rightward. The next one is when PPC shift leftward. When PPC shift leftward, the same thing when these all things are not favorable, like when we think that if there is any natural disaster, if there is any natural disaster, because of that natural disaster the production, the resources may decrease. The resources, how they may decrease? Like because of earthquake, like because of flood, so many things are there. The productive land may decrease, and in that case production of the goods can be decreased. And if the machinery, here we were talking about improvement technology, and if the technology or the machine is outdated, here is improved technology, and here if the machines are outdated, they are not able to produce, then in that case what will happen? In that case production will decrease and production possibility curve will decrease, shift from here to here, from PPC to PPC1. New production possibility curve will be there. So I think you have understand how production possibility curve shift from left to leftward or to rightward, leftward and rightward. Next, is next topic. I'm just going to tell you next video.